So today we gathered on the shores of Sydney Harbour for a nice meal and a very informative and valuable discussion with some of the leading CEOs and CIOs and chief executives of companies here in Australia.
There's a real desire for organisations to be innovating. The people assembled at the table talked about their wish to be able to do things differently, to be able to innovate and to be able to drive their organisation forward, but tempered with the reality of limited funding.
One of the questions raised today was about the outsourcing of innovation. And it seemed to the person raising the question that innovation is one of those things for the most innovative companies is not outsourced. They hold it very clear and it's a differentiator or a value that their company cherishes. And when we went round the table, the discussion was that it's generally the business as usual IT functions that are outsourced. And yes, companies hold that innovation piece very close.
When it comes to cloud computing, I think the opinions are very much split. There's still issues around security and governance, and those problems will probably never be fully solved for some organisations.
So the conversation about data security was that IT outsourcing companies could bring in a really secure environment, particularly from external attacks. The problem they didn't focus on as so much was internal usage of data and the potential for inside to out loss of data. And that was really evident in this conversation.
When I think about the themes that came out in today's session, reducing costs, improving productivity through better workflows, mobility and the uptake of cloud, the increased need or focus on security in an IT environment, tells me that I think Konica Minolta in its development of its solutions strategy is on the right path.
I think the forum was very successful. We're of course very appreciative of those who came giving us their time, and that's kind of what it was all about. We wanted to gain insights into the market, both have a deeper discussion with our clients but also prospective clients and also prospective partners around really what is the need in the marketplace today, what is the need in business today, and I think there were a lot of very valuable insights shared. And our company ethos really is to be able to add value to any interaction that we have, and we can only add value if we listen and we learn. And today there's a lot of very valuable IP handed over to us and discussed around the table and some vigorous debates, and we certainly got a lot out of it, and I hope all the participants did as well.